Okay. Hi. Today. I'm sorry. Okay.
Mom.
Okay. Today was a funny day. I'll tell you guys all about it. Um. So me, and my friend Courtney. Okay, never mind. She doesn't be seen.
Mom.
Okay. We rode to McDonald's on our bike, which is a two-seater. The two seats on one bike. It was awesome.
For you.
Two people, two for the price of one. But anyway, so we rode our bike to McDonald's, and we got in McDonald's, and we were there, and it was time to leave. So we're about to leave. Oh yeah, okay. So we were looking at the people. Are there these people who were seats behind us, and I was facing towards the door, and they're sitting by the door. And I looked over to them, and I was like, "Are they looking at us?" And Courtney goes, she's like, "I don't know. You're looking at them, like, 'cause they're looking at me." And so we're about to leave, and the guy goes, "Excuse me." I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "Are you checking me out?" And I was like, "Yeah, yeah, I was. You caught me." Joking around. And so it was time to go, and we left. We rode our two-seater bike back, and we were riding down the street, and we were really close to the house. And we got up to the corner, and the guys were turning the corner. The guys from McDonald's, and they were pointing and laughing at us, and like, "Turn around, look, turn around. It's the girls, it's the girls." And we turned around, they're laughing at us because they assumed that we were driving a car, but we're riding a embarrassing two-seater. and so, and yeah, should have honked their horn, but it was a pretty funny day.